All the people I know, freaks of nature, let the yuppie world go long ago. Staying true means you grow, but yups hate you. They all collaborate in Big Brother show. Down and out is the path to the spirit. Jesus lived there, all the wise ones do. Your own thing, free time, it is a perfect fit. Then you really get your freak on, you do. All the people I know these days different. Start a party, they'll all be there. Breath of fresh air to pour the upward soap in. At the bottom is gentle care. Grew up playing the ruling class game, but Jesus' wisdom was everywhere. Knew inside I was nowhere near the same. Then the hippie thing, I was there. Hippie types, wherever I've been, always found a friendly scene. The freaks of nature, impeccable, can't compare to yuppies, Brooklyn poor. Yuppies all conform to pathetic, just what money buys Christmas command. Freaks of nature have souls just majestic, many stories of fun that was had. Collaborate or die, know you live really well. At the bottom can trust people's care. Freaks of nature help you through and break the spell. The pumping good cheer into the air. All the people I knew go to Shih Tzu, unbelievable sellouts they are. Armadale has an amazing hippie crew, freaks of nature and star upon star. But original owners are waiting, fortunately that sorts them out. Yes, the yuppie tempest is abating, freaks of nature you're winning, no doubt. Real people, mum's very G, God in her own right she'd be. So freaks of nature, she guides you, she can make your dreams come true. All the people I know, freaks of nature, let the yuppie world go long ago. Staying true means you grow, but yups hate you. They all collaborate in Big Brother show. Down and out is the path to the spirit. Jesus lived there, all the wise ones do. Your own thing, free time, it is a perfect fit. Then you really get your freak on, you do.